Hello, everyone. I'm Jason, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're ready to improve your English in a fun and natural way, you're in the right place.
Hi, everyone. I'm Julia, and we're excited to spend a few minutes with you today. Whether you're listening at home, on the bus, at work, or while taking a walk, thank you for joining us. Every episode is another step towards speaking English with confidence.
Today's topic is Don't Waste Your Life. Wow, that sounds serious, doesn't it? But don't worry, we're going to talk about it in a simple, friendly way that is perfect for English learners.
Let me ask you something. Have you ever said, "I'll start tomorrow," but tomorrow never came? Or maybe you planned to study English for just 20 minutes, but suddenly you spent 2 hours watching random videos on your phone. Oh, really? I think we've all done that.
Jason, you're not alone. Everyone wastes time sometimes. The important thing is to notice it, learn from it, and make better choices. Today, we'll learn useful English words and expressions while talking about how small daily actions can create a better future.
That's right. And don't worry, we're not here to make you feel guilty. We're here to motivate you, help you practice English, and remind you that every small step counts.
So, take a deep breath, relax, and get ready for a fun English conversation. By the end of this episode, you'll learn new vocabulary, practice natural English, and hopefully feel inspired to make today a meaningful day.
Let's get started. This is the English Learning Podcast, and today's lesson is Don't Waste Your Life.
Let's imagine a simple situation. It's Saturday morning. The sun is shining, you don't have work or school, and you tell yourself, today is going to be a productive day. You want to study English, clean your room, read a good book, and maybe even exercise for a little while.
That sounds like a perfect plan. But then, your phone says, just one quick video. One video becomes 5 videos, then 10. Before you know it, you've been scrolling for 3 hours.
Wow. You look at the clock and say, "What? Is it already afternoon?" You planned to practice English, but you haven't learned a single new word. You wanted to go for a walk, but you're still sitting on the sofa.
Oh, really? I know that feeling. Sometimes I even tell myself, I'll start in 5 minutes. Then another 5 minutes pass, and another. Suddenly it's evening, and my big plan has disappeared.
Jason, the funny thing is, most people don't waste their lives in one big moment. They waste them little by little. 1 hour today, another hour tomorrow, and then another the next day. Those little moments slowly become weeks, months, and even years.
But here's the good news. Every new day is a fresh chance to make a better choice. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Even practicing English for 15 or 20 minutes every day is much better than doing nothing.
Exactly. And today, Julia and I are going to talk about simple habits that can help you stop wasting time, improve your English, and enjoy your life more. So stay with us. Our conversation is just getting started.
Yes! Grab your headphones, listen carefully, and imagine you're part of our conversation. Let's move on to the main discussion.
So, Julia, let's talk honestly today. Why do you think so many people waste their time?
I think there are many reasons. Sometimes people feel tired. Sometimes they don't know what to do first. And sometimes our phones are just too interesting.
That's true. Our phones are amazing tools, but they can also become big distractions if we're not careful.
Exactly. Have you ever picked up your phone to check one message?
Oh, yes. I tell myself, I'll check it for just 1 minute.
And then?
Ha 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 ha! Then I watch a funny video. After that, another one. Then I read some comments. And suddenly, 30 minutes are gone.
Oh, really? The same thing happens to me. Time moves so fast when we're not paying attention.
That's why I think we should ask ourselves one simple question every day.
What's the question?
Is this helping me become the person I want to be?
Wow. I like that question. It's short, but it makes you think.
If the answer is yes, keep going. If the answer is no, maybe it's time to do something better.
Jason, what do you usually do when you feel like wasting time?
First, I stand up from my chair. Just moving my body helps me wake up. Then I make a very small goal.
A small goal, not a big one?
No. Big goals can feel scary. Small goals feel easy. For example, instead of saying, I'll study English for 3 hours, I say, I'll study for 15 minutes.
That's smart. 15 minutes doesn't sound difficult.
Exactly. And something interesting usually happens.
What happens?
After 15 minutes, I often want to continue. Starting is usually the hardest part.
Wow, that's a great idea. Many people wait until they feel motivated.
Yes, but motivation doesn't always come first. Sometimes action comes first.
Can you explain that?
Of course. Imagine you don't feel like exercising. If you wait for motivation, you may wait all day. But if you simply put on your shoes and start walking, you begin to feel better. Your motivation grows because you started.
I love that. So action creates motivation.
Exactly. The same is true for learning English.
Right. Many learners say, I'll practice English when I have more free time.
But free time doesn't always appear by itself.
That's true. Sometimes we have to create free time.
Yes, instead of watching random videos for 1 hour, you could spend 20 minutes listening to an English podcast.
Or you could learn 5 new words.
Or read one short English story.
Or repeat 10 simple English sentences aloud.
Those small activities may not seem important today, but after 1 month you'll notice a big improvement.
Wow. Imagine learning just 5 new words every day.
Let's do the math together. 5 words every day means 35 words every week.
And that's more than 150 words in 1 month. That's amazing.
See? Small steps create big results.
You know, Jason, I think many people compare themselves with others.
Yes, and that can make them feel discouraged.
Someone says, my English isn't as good as theirs.
But that's the wrong comparison.
So who should we compare ourselves with?
Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. If you know one more English word today, if you understand one more sentence, if you speak a little more confidently, you're improving.
I really like that idea. Progress is more important than perfection.
Exactly. Nobody becomes fluent in 1 day. Success is built one small habit at a time.
So don't wait for the perfect day.
Don't wait for the perfect mood.
Don't wait until next Monday.
Don't wait until next month.
Start today.
Start now.
Even if you only practice English for 10 or 15 minutes today, you're moving forward.
Every minute you spend learning something useful is an investment in your future.
And remember, life isn't about being perfect every single day.
It's about making good choices, 1 day at a time.
So let's stop saying, I'll do it later.
And let's start saying, I'll do it now.
I like that much better.
Me too. Your future begins with the choice you make today. Great job, everyone! Now let's review some useful vocabulary from today's conversation. These are simple words and phrases that you can use in everyday English.
Yes! Listen carefully, repeat after us, and try to use these words in your own sentences. Ready? Let's go.
Word 1, waste time, meaning to spend time doing things that are not useful or important. Example, I wasted 2 hours watching videos instead of studying English.
Word 2, goal, meaning something you want to achieve or accomplish. Example, my goal is to speak English confidently by the end of this year.
Word 3, habit, meaning something you do regularly, often every day. Example, reading 1 English page every morning is a good habit.
Word 4, focus, meaning to give your full attention to one thing. Example, please focus on today's English lesson and don't check your phone.
Word 5, improve, meaning to become better or make something better. Example, I practice speaking every day because I want to improve my English.
Word 6, future meaning, the time that is coming after today. Example, the English you learn today will help you in the future.
Excellent! Remember, you don't need to learn hundreds of words in one day. Learn a few words, understand their meanings, and use them again and again. That's the best way to remember them.
And here's a fun challenge. Today, try to use all 6 words in your own English sentences. It doesn't matter if your sentences are simple. The important thing is to practice.
Wonderful job, everyone! Now that you've learned these useful words, let's put them into action with a fun mini role play. You're going to hear these words used in a real conversation. Okay, everyone, it's time for our mini role play. Imagine Julia feels like he's wasting his time, and I'm his friend. Listen carefully and notice how we use today's vocabulary in a real conversation.
Jason, can I tell you something? I feel like I've been wasting a lot of time lately. Every evening I tell myself, I'll study English, but then I spend hours on my phone. When I go to bed, I feel disappointed.
Oh, really? Don't be too hard on yourself, Julia. Everyone has days like that. The important thing is not to give up. You can always make a better choice tomorrow, or even right now.
You're right. But where should I start? My goal is to speak English fluently, but sometimes it feels too difficult.
Start with one small habit. You don't have to study for hours. Practice English for just 15 minutes every day. Stay focused during those 15 minutes, and you'll improve little by little.
Wow, that sounds much easier than studying for 3 hours. I think I can do that.
Exactly. Small habits create big results. Remember, every minute you spend learning English is an investment in your future.
I like that. From today, my new habit is 15 minutes of English every day. No more wasting time.
That's the spirit. One small step today can change your future. Keep going, and don't stop believing in yourself.
Thanks, Jason. I feel motivated already. And I hope everyone listening will join me. Let's stop making excuses and start making progress.
Wonderful. Now it's your turn, everyone. Get ready for our quick speaking challenge. Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. Awesome work, everyone! Now it's time for our quick speaking challenge. This is your chance to practice speaking English out loud. Don't worry about being perfect. Just listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Haha, yes! Speak loudly and clearly. If you're at home, imagine you're talking to us. If you're outside, don't be shy. Every sentence you speak makes your English stronger.
Sentence 1. I will not waste my time.
Excellent! Let's do the next one. Sentence 2. Every small step makes me better.
Very nice! Keep going! Sentence 3. I practice English every day.
Great job! Here's another one. Sentence 4. My future starts with today's actions.
And now, our final sentence. Sentence 5. I believe in myself and I never give up.
Wow, that was fantastic! You just spoke 5 powerful English sentences. The more you repeat them, the more natural your English will become.
Exactly. Remember, confidence doesn't come from waiting. It comes from practicing. So repeat these sentences again later today, tomorrow, and every day this week. You'll be surprised by how much your speaking improves.
Amazing job, everyone! Now let's finish today's episode with a fun ending and a special message just for you.
Wow, we made it to the end of today's episode. Great job, everyone! Today we learned an important lesson. Don't waste your life. Every small action you take today can create a better tomorrow. So don't wait for the perfect time. Start now, even if it's just for a few minutes.
That's right! Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. Practice a little English every day. Learn one new word, read one short story, or listen to one podcast. Small habits can make a big difference.
We believe in you. Every time you listen, speak, and practice, you're becoming a stronger and more confident English speaker. Keep smiling, keep learning, and never stop believing in yourself.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. And don't forget to leave a comment below.
Here's today's question for you. What is one thing you will do today instead of wasting time? Write your answer in English in the comments. We'd love to read it.
Thank you so much for spending these few minutes with us. Your English journey is important, and we're so happy to be part of it.
Take care of yourself, keep practicing every single day, and remember,
Don't waste your life. Use today to build a brighter future.
see you in the next episode of the English Learning Podcast. Bye, everyone.